Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to try my best to hide my hands because I'm about to do my nails right now and they look horrible. But here we go. So for this video, I wanted to talk about cheaters again. The topic came to mind because as usual, I'm scrolling social media and there's a whole lot of, cheating stuff and love stuff and finding the right person and blah, 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 blah. And it made me start to wonder. It made me ask the age-old question: once a cheater, always a cheater? And that poll is now up on my Instagram if you want to go ahead and vote on that. It's at KissyFace, KSYFBCE. I'll post a link somewhere so you can tap it or see it and just go find me. Okay, find me on Instagram, watch my story, and vote on the poll. Go vote, your vote matters. All right, now my point of view. I've done many videos on here before and I have said out loud that I have cheated in this every relationship I've been in, right? Not one of my proudest moments, but it is what it is. It just is what it is. And what I've realized as someone who has cheated or just cheats for fun is that I cheat out of boredom. Like, I will be in a relationship and I'll be bored or unsatisfied in some way, shape, or form, and somebody else piques my interest and I go for that. A person like that, a person like me, needs to be in a relationship where it is equally yoked, where the sexual gratification is being met. Is that the right, did I say that right? The sexual, anyways, where we both have the same, what is happening on my camera? I don't know what's happening. Anyways, where we both have the same level sexual appetite. It's not that we don't love our spouse or a partner, it's just that we're bored. Pretty much. If I'm in a relationship where I'm 100% satisfied in all aspects, like for example, I'm bisexual, I like girls and boys. If we are having fun with other people, bringing people in, a more openish relationship, then I feel like I would be more satisfied and less inclined to cheat. If I am being satisfied emotionally, where we can have conversations about anything, we are literally like best friends, I probably. Okay, and we're back with one bar. Oh my gosh, today is a mess. Okay, so like I was saying, if everybody is satisfied okay, so if you're satisfied, if I'm satisfied emotionally, sexually, physically, every alley you can think of, then there is a highly less likely chance for me to even think about cheating. I'll be like, ew, why would I want that when I have this at home, right? And not to put any pressure on the person that I'm with to say that you're supposed to make sure that anything happens, because it's not their responsibility to make sure that I don't stray. It's my own. Like, I should be aware. I should know. I should, before getting or while in the relationship, be like, all right, hey, I'm unhappy in this aspect. We need to work on this. I'm unhappy here. We need to work on that. Now, if you're in a situation where you're being cheated on and you decide to cheat back, which I've definitely been in that situation before, that's not good either. And then if you're anything like me, when you cheat back to hurt, right? Because I'm so hurt already, I want you to feel as much, if not worse, pain than I did. Now, in other cases, I feel like some people don't like monogamy. Some people cannot be monogamous. And I don't want to say monogamy is not normal. I don't want to say monogamy is normal. Nothing is normal. Nothing is abnormal. Everybody feels, everybody loves, everybody operates differently. You just have to find the right person that you can operate with. You two can be on the same frequency, right? If you choose to be non-monogamous, you need to let it be known to the person or the people that you're with that that's the lifestyle that you're choosing. You can, if you want to build a happy home with one person, then let it be known to that one person, just so that they aren't out there doing whatever it is that they want to do. At the end of it all, what it comes down to for me is communication, being able to open up to your person and say, hey, this is what I want, this is what I don't want, this is what I do, this is what I don't do, this is what I want to do, this is what I don't want to do. So to the question, once a cheater, always a cheater, it's possible, very, very much possible, if the communication is lacking. If I can't come to you and say, all right, I want this, I want that, I'm unhappy with this, unhappy with that, then the cheating is going to continue. You feel me? So yeah. I don't want to make this video too long, so I won't. But leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Once a cheater, always a cheater. Am I making sense to you? If you have been cheated on in the past, or if you are the one who's cheating and you're in a relationship right now, I want you to talk to your partners. I want you to be honest and upfront and be like, hey, I'm very much unhappy and I don't want to do this anymore. Simple. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. I'm not showing my hands. I'm not showing my hands.